Hey, it's time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin in Oswego with Oakland Johnson celebrating birthday number 6. Happy birthday, Oakland.
And Corbin Wright Colbert celebrates birthday number 9 this year. Looks like Corbin is a Chiefs fan. All right.
And in Chanute, we've got Reagan Olson celebrating birthday number 27 with love from Mom, Ryan, Brooke, and Raymond.
All right. And Nick Stansberry celebrating birthday number 36 this year. Nick is in Arma with love from your mom and family.
And we've got Tommy Lloyd celebrating over in Thayer. A very happy birthday to you, Tommy.
And Tony Sheehy celebrating the big 6-0 this year. Tony is in Pittsburgh. We love you from Vicky and all of the kids and grandkids.
Over in Neodesha, we've got birthday number 82 for Jeanette Barton. Happy birthday, Jeanette.
And Bill Spencer celebrating birthday number 92 this year.
And we've got Kenneth and Marilyn Frobish celebrating their 64th year of wedded bliss in Columbus. A very happy anniversary to the Frobishes.
All right. And our very own Mr. Peyton Holloway. We used to have him here on the morning show many moons ago, but he's now one of our KOAM evening producers. We hope you have a wonderful birthday, Peyton.
See, I always call him Peyton Holiday.
Well, every day's a holiday for Peyton.
It is, and today is a very special holiday. Happy birthday to you, Peyton. Also, now we're putting this one back up, because see, Haley Barnett celebrated a birthday previously. You probably recognize this photo. She's one of our KOAM marketing consultants, and what happened is it wasn't really her birthday. Today is really Haley's birthday. So happy real birthday, Haley, but hopefully you took advantage of the opportunity to say, hey, it's my birthday today when we aired this last time, and maybe got a free cake or something from somewhere.
Hey, that's cool.
You get free desserts from restaurants.
Haley, this is your second chance to come say hi to us. We don't get to see the marketing staff too often. They're too busy working all the time, but we want to wish you a very happy birthday, Haley. And Stephanie Maxton in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
And Judy Brown in McCune celebrating birthday number 80. Happy birthday, Judy.
Becky Ross in Riverton. Becky's a nurse for Freeman Health. Happy birthday to a great daughter, a wife, a mother, and a nurse, of course.
All right, this list was pretty good. Let's keep it going great. Tanya, where do people need to send their birthdays and anniversaries?
All they have to do is email them to us with all the details. Be sure to include that date so we don't mess up. And send us your picture as well to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
That sounds like a pretty easy thing to do. And you know what else is just as easy? Signing up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today. All right, here's what's going to happen when we